everyone, welcome to 30-something beauty. I am Cassandra, your 30-something beauty-loving normal gal making videos for those of us over the age of 30 here on YouTube. And today I'm doing something a little risky. I am trying what is called the zombie mask. Now, this went around, I want to say maybe back in the summer. I know Tati did it. It is the mask that makes your face like it tightens so bad that it like shrivels you up and you look like a zombie, like your skin's coming off. It's very bizarre. And this is like getting out of my comfort zone to even do this for you. So Tati did the one by Hanacure, and from what I saw on YouTube, a lot of other people did the Hanacure one as well. The Hanacure mask is $40 for one mask, but God bless Amazon. I had no plan to do this. Like when I saw that video, I went, okay, that's cool. Like I believe she liked the results after. I thought that's cool, but I am not in a position to spend $40 on a mask. No, thank you. There are other masks out there. While looking on Amazon at Black Friday deals, this came up, and it wasn't even one of the deal ones. I was searching something else, and then this was in the recommended, and this is 8 for $20. So there's 8 treatments, 8 different masks in here for $20. So I thought, okay, and all the reviews said it's very similar to the Hanacure, maybe not quite as easy to get off, but very similar. So I thought I'd tell you about it with makeup on, not looking like a crazy zombie. Then I will go wash my makeup off, come back, and I'll put it on in front of you, and we'll see how it goes. I'll take it off at the end and give you my review. Probably quickly since I have no makeup on at that point. So what you do is there's a zombie pack powder and activator. So, okay, this is, okay. I give them credit. It comes with a brush too, like not a crappy one. This is definitely a reusable mask brush. Okay, so it has these little packs. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to open this little pack and then add the powder. I like that it looks like a little injection, like a little, you know. So I'm supposed to add the powder to it. I don't know why I dropped the box, like I didn't have to read directions off it. So I'm supposed to mix the powder and the activator with the brush and apply an appropriate amount to the face, leaving out the eye area, lips, and hair. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with warm water. Apply toner after use. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my face and then I will come back and add it and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so face is washed, hair is back. It is the same day. I didn't want to leave, I know I'm wearing something different, I didn't want to leave that shirt on and get junk all over it, or like in case I spill. Can't figure out what to do with my phone. Let me pull back a little bit for you. Okay, so I'm a little nervous. So I opened up the pack and there's this very fine powder in it. And the way I drop things, that's very scary, so I'm trying to be very, very careful here. So now I'm gonna open the Zombie Pack Activator. I'm so scared to do this. So it's liquidy. Can you see that? It's like a, oh, it's like a liquid. I thought it would be more gel-like. I'm gonna put it down on the table now to do the rest because I don't want to spill it, and you saw I already squirted some the wrong way, so we'll see how this goes. And now I'm gonna take my brush to mix it. It has a light scent. It's not bad though. I don't know what I would describe it as. It's turning kind of bubbly. I'm trying to make sure, okay. So the scent gets a little stronger as it mixes. I think it's pretty mixed. I'm wondering if I should use the plastic end to kind of get it going. Like, is all the powder just stuck? But I'm gonna start spreading it on. Yeah, there's definitely an odor. I take it back. The odor's not great, guys. I've heard they all kind of have an odor. Okay. Want the hair out of the way. So it's not like that would be better or worse with one or the other if I bought the $40 one. I'm curious if I didn't mix it enough because there are these little like bumps in it. Like you can see right there. I'm just gonna, there's still some left, so I'm layering it. I can already feel it tightening around my lip. I'll go down my neck. Can't hurt, right? To go down the neck. So now I'm supposed to leave this on 10 to 15 minutes. I don't know, I'm sorry that you have to see my discoloration and acne. It is already tightening up right at my lip. I'm gonna set my timer for 15. I'm gonna go clean the brush, and then I will come back and check in with you and tell you how it's going, how it feels. So I can definitely feel it around the mouth first. I can see it's drying there, and it's tightening. For sure. Oh, also, my lips are still just really red since I had on that red lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna try to quit moving because I don't want to, like, crack it. Okay, so it's starting to work its magic. I'm trying not to talk too much, but I mean, it pulls in and, like, clumps up in a way. You can see it's pretty dry down here. Maybe I should have just done thicker here. See how it's tightening on my neck? Ah! It's like I'm old or, like, a zombie, or kind of reminds me of, like, if someone's been burned. I don't mean this, like, in any offensive way. That's just what it reminds me of. How it tightens and kind of, like, it's scarred in some way. Is how it looks. It is so strange. There's still, like, 10 minutes to go. But it feels, I don't want to crack it. Like I said, it feels really tight. Really tight. We'll see. Okay, so I have 5 minutes left. And I gotta tell you, it's starting to itch. Like, I just want to scratch my forehead. My forehead is finally starting to, like, pucker up the way it shows. My cheek as well. It's making that spot look a lot worse. It's starting to really pull. I look crazy. This is gonna be so hard to edit and so hard to put up for all of you. But people raved about it on the reviews, and it is supposed to help soften, improve the elasticity of skin. I hope when it says that it means that it's going to make it tighter, because my skin doesn't need to be more elastic. You know? You know. Yeah, the pulling is starting to itch. Sorry, I keep looking down at the mirror. The pulling is starting to itch. And this, I think, is just dry powder at this point. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so there's 1 minute left. Look at it. Feels hard. Like, it feels, it feels dry, and it feels hard, like a shell. It feels like there's a shell on my face. It's so strange. So you can see it's, like, puckering my forehead, puckering right here. This is I would laugh, but I can't. It is the weirdest mask I have ever done. I'm gonna go wash it off, and I'll come back. Okay, I'm a person again. Oh my gosh. Sorry that you have to see me with no makeup and, like, some acne issues and redness, but okay, my skin feels really soft, like not greasy, just soft, which is really nice. And call me crazy, I see on the monitor it looks worse. Looking here, like, this line is softened. This line is a little softened. Forehead lines definitely softened, so kind of worth it. Definitely the weirdest skincare experience I've had. I will definitely use the rest of the packs. You know, I think you can do it. Somebody said they were doing it twice a week. I would probably do once a week, and then the other time do baby facial. I try to do that once a week. So I'll spread them out. But I mean, a weird experience, but worth it. So I will put a link to it below if you want to try it. I mean, the fact that you get 8 for $20, this would kind of be a fun thing to do on a girls' night and just laugh at each other and how crazy you look. So I don't know if you want to do that at your next party. But the fact that there's, you know, 8 for $20, great deal, way better than $40. So I liked it. I'd do it again. That is all for today. Please let me know in the comments your thoughts. Would you try the zombie pack mask? And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!